In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Substack content on Instagram, a quick and easy process that you can complete in just about 5 minutes. It's all about extending your content's reach by leveraging the power of Instagram's vast audience. Whether you want to share in your bio or in a post, here's how you can do it seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Substack account. This is where all your amazing work is stored, and from here, you'll select the particular post that you want to share with the world on Instagram. Once logged in, browse through and click on the post you choose to share. It could be your latest blog or an all-time favorite. Now, to make your post accessible to your Instagram followers, look for the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of your selected post. Click on this icon, and from the options presented, go ahead and select Copy Link. This action will save the link to your clipboard, which will come in handy for the next steps. Having copied your Substack post link, it's time to transition over to Instagram. Open the app on your device. If you decide you want the link to be a permanent fixture on your profile, part of your online persona, consider sharing it in your bio. Navigate to your profile and tap on Edit Profile. You will see a section labeled Website. Here, you simply paste your Substack link and ensure you save the changes. Now, any visitor who views your profile will have direct access to your Substack post via this link. Alternatively, if you prefer to share the link as part of a more dynamic interaction with your audience, placing it in a post caption could be the way to go. To do this, initiate a new post by clicking on Create, then selecting Post. Choose engaging images to accompany your post, ones that reflect or enhance the content of your Substack newsletter. Craft a compelling post that not only highlights what the article is about, but also draws people in. Remember, however, that Instagram captions do not support clickable links, so it's a good idea to mention link in bio in your caption. This directs your audience to visit your profile and click on the link you saved earlier in the bio section. Once your post content and caption are polished and ready to go, all that's left is to hit share. Your Substack link is now effectively distributed on Instagram, ready to attract attention and engage followers, bringing them straight to your in-depth content. With these simple steps, you can seamlessly integrate and promote your Substack content on Instagram, expanding your reach in the digital landscape. Happy sharing!